Minasan, ohayou gozaimasu, konnichiwa, konbanwa, whichever part of the world you are tuning in from, welcome back. I hope you've been keeping well and staying up to date with this Katakana Practice Series. Today we're diving into the bold and buzzy sounds of letters da through bo and shining a light on that little dash you've probably spotted in past videos or maybe even in your own studies. Here's what to expect in today's session. We'll begin with a quick review, highlight a few simple but essential notes, and then jump into some interactive exercises to boost your reading confidence. If you're looking for extra support or a more personalized learning experience, I also offer online classes and a writing program. Check the description box for details. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Here's the pronunciation for each letter, starting with the D row. Da, ji, zu, de, do. Although ji and zu do exist in katakana, they're rarely used in writing. But if you happen to see this, ji is pronounced with a J sound and zu is pronounced with a Z sound. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Let's talk about the horizontal line used in katakana. It's called the long vowel mark, and its job is simple. It stretches the vowel sound of the letter right before it. Here's an example using the word cheese. Chizu. No long vowel mark, so it sounds short, and it doesn't sound like the word cheese. Chizu. The long vowel mark is there, but it's in the wrong place. It's stretching the wrong vowel sound. Cheese. Now that's perfect. The long vowel mark is in the right place. It's stretching the E sound, so it sounds just like cheese in English. Now that you know what the line is and how it affects pronunciation, let's play a quick mini game to test your skills. I'll show you two versions of a katakana word, one with the long vowel mark, one without or in the wrong spot. Your challenge is to spot the correct version before I reveal the answer. Moving on to the exercises. First, let's try pop quiz. Here's how it works. I'll show you a word, and your job is to read it and say it out loud before I reveal the correct pronunciation. Let's go. Doitsu. Canada. Belgium. Brazil. Vietnam. Up next, let's try find the missing letter. I'll show you a word with one letter missing. Your job is to figure out which letter completes it. Let's cool down with the flashcard round. Good luck, and I'll meet you at the end of the session. That's all for today's session. Amazing work! If you found this video helpful and want to see more like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay on track with your learning journey. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, madare!